Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can stretch an image in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And right here in the center, you're going to find your project, open from computer, and templates. Go ahead and click on your project. Then once you're here, as you can see guys, you can choose a name for your project. You can choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background color. And right here, you can choose a size for your image. For example, I'm going to go to screen, then choose this size, and then click on create. Once you click on create, you're going to be right here, as you can see, guys. So here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So right now, I'm going to click on file, then add an image by clicking on open. Then, for example, I'm going to add this image right here. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these tools. You can select it right here. As you can see, guys, here you're going to find magic wand. Right here, you can crop the image. And if you want to stretch the image, just go ahead and select it, then click on image. And then right here, you're going to find image size. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can change the width of the image, the height, the DPI, and so on. And once you finish, go ahead and click on OK. And then if you want to save the changes, just go right here to file. Then here you're going to find save as PSD. You can export it as a PNG, JPG, and so on. So just export it and then click on save and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.